Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this lesson, we will learn how to install Adwords Convrsion Tag on forms in Google Tag Manager. This method will work in all type of lead generation campaign, whether you are going to set up newsletter sign up campaign, contact us page form submission, appointment booking, whatever. This method will work in all. So let's see how it is done. First of all, you will need to log in your Adwords account and go to campaign, tools and settings, conversion. Click on this plus sign, conversion. As you are going to set up conversion tag on form submission of website, so we will select first option, website. Here is a category, conversion category. I am going to set up conversion for contact us page form, so I am going to select contact. You can put conversion name whatever you want. I am putting here contact us page. You can insert conversion value, or if you don't want to insert conversion value, just select this one, create and continue. As you are going to set up conversion tag through Google Tag Manager, so we will click on this one, conversion ID and conversion level. Now let's go to Google Tag Manager, click on new. Select Google Ad Conversion Tracking, conversion ID and conversion level. Put it here and conversion level. All forms, save it, submit. Conversion tag has been installed on all type of forms. Now we need to test it. Click on preview. Continue. Go to contact form. I am going to submit it. Test. Form submission. See the tag fired. Adwords conversion tag has fired, so it is working.